fires too. That's not a joke.
It's alright, we're good.
Dripping oil.
Pop the hood, pop the hood. We already know the drill. Round the pole in second, then drift on out of here. Rip it! I got rubber in my eyes.
Damn, yo, I really think that's undercover cop behind me.
Jesus Christ! Damn! Third gear, Jack! Hit it! Hit it, Jack!
This bitch is gonna catch on fire.
That fucking dude! Oh! Tires exploding! Alright guys, so we got Zach's coilovers today. Did you ever even look up what those were?
No, it's stainless.
Yeah, okay. So, we got Megan Racing coils. Do you know if you got Easy Street? Is that what
Easy Street,
yeah. Alright. So, you guys obviously know what the fronts look like. But for E36s, yeah, you can open that. The rear springs are separate from the struts. So, I've never installed these before, so it might be kind of tricky. I know to get them out, it's going to be a pain in the ass.
That was mine.
But putting them in shouldn't be too bad. Oh yeah, that's cool as fuck. That's how it works. No, you don't take these. Well, I mean you can, but we can just lower the collars all the way. Because we're gonna start as low as possible, guys, and then we'll just go up from there. Because adjusting these in the car will be so easy. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna take out the rears first, because we know that's gonna be the hardest. And then we'll do the fronts, because that should be pretty easy. His fronts are basically like every other coilover, just the rears are just going to be a little challenging. This is literally the most Zach has ever... That's the most I've ever seen out of a tire.
So bald.
That's what happens when you have a welded diff.
This is so perfect.
Yeah, welded diffs are the shit. That's why I need one. Dude, that's like maximum life right there.
Yeah, we went to Mexico pretty hard.
Alright, so we need to... Oh my god, see, getting that spring out, we're probably just going to cut it. That's going to be a bitch. Getting a new one in shouldn't be too bad. But let's get this started. So Zach's on doing the struts now, out of the trunk. We already got them unbolted down here. And since when they go out, you can actually push this down to get the spring out. So that's how we're gonna go about that. And if we can't get it, probably just gonna cut it because these things are completely useless. But the front ones will be easy. That's why we're saving them for last. The fronts look good. Can't wait to test this thing out tonight with some skids. All right. Oh shit, I guess. Wow, that was fucking way easier than expected. Jesus.
You're like, we're cutting them.
I thought we were gonna have to fucking cut them and everything. I can pop right out. Might as well just grab a new one real quick. Let's see if we can just pop it right on there.
Hold on, we gotta see the adjustment. How low do we want it?
We're gonna go as low as possible first. We'll compare it to the new spring. Or the old spring. All right, where's the old spring?
Right here.
Here, just put it sideways. How's it? About the same, so let's just go as low as possible.
Okay.
We'll go from there. I just want to go ahead and lower these collars real quick. Alright guys, so we just did the back. The front hasn't done yet, but he's going to go ahead and lower it. We've made it pretty much as low as it'll go, just to see. These wheels are a little too like fat sidewalls, so I don't know if it's going to rub.
Oh, that was fast.
You're going to have to roll it back and forth.
This bitch is high as shit.
Yeah, it's because it's how it's sitting. Roll it backwards.
Okay, hey, let me see this up here.
Yeah, you ready? What the fuck? Why ain't it rolling?
The e-brake don't even work. I don't know why.
Wow, it ain't sitting as low as I was expecting.
Alright.
Oh. Yeah, that's good. It ain't sitting as low as I expected. That's fine though. Maybe the 17. We can always lower it. Oh no, we can't. Well, I guess we could from the struts.
That's really upsetting.
I think you can lower the
I don't
struts.
care, as long as they're stiff.
Yeah.
As long as they're dressed well, I don't care what it looks
Fuck a really
like.
low car. How's that getting this fucking juice, you know?
This looks really good.
Coil over. Ew, watermelon? Nasty, boy. Boy. Gotta get peach tea. I mean raspberry. Fuck your watermelon.
Peach mango.
Nasty.
2 for 3.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on the front. Look at that fucking suspension travel right there. Pre-runner shit. Tires just came off the ground. Fucking straight pre-runner. Alright, well we gotta pop your hood. Should be pretty simple to put on. I have never taken them out front of E36, and these 3 bolts, got no idea what the fuck, why. Do you see that? The 3 bolts on there?
Yeah, never seen it.
Isn't that fucking weird?
Oh shit, you gotta see.
Huh? Oh yeah, see the fire. Oh god, we're gonna have to put that in the end of this video. Yeah guys, we were drifting and this shit caught on fire. We'll put it in the end.
You gotta stay tuned.
Now they're all gonna fast forward to the end.
Not just once, but twice.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead, drop it on the ground. Let's see. Hopefully it's not. That's good. For right now, yeah. Because until you run stretch, because if you feel up in there, you know what I mean? You can't. It's lower than what it was before.
You're also gonna get a little poke and
Yeah.
some camber.
Oh yeah, and the upcoming angle mods. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do the other side. We should be good.
It's like
It's
slightly.
Yeah. Alright, well let's go ahead and get the other side done. Hopefully it'll go a lot quicker. Let's jack it up. Oh yeah, let's show that Daquan's getting the NC Miata tie rods on. So we're gonna see some drifting of this thing. We got the pieces made by our buddy Rich. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you guys ever need anything machined to his email address. But yeah, they worked out perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, get the tie rods on there, and this thing should be driving down the road. Alright, go ahead, put it on the ground. Now they're all back together. Drop her on the ground. Alright.
This side looks a little lower.
It's lower than it used to be. Alright, pull it out. Shut your hood. Let's get her out of here. Alright, go right. Well, how are you guys selling stuff today? You got anything, any tires over there? There we go. Oh yeah. Hit the tree, Zach.
Yeah, it was you. Oh yeah, we gotta check for fires too.
Fires.
That's not a joke.
It's alright, we're good. Around the pole in second, then drift on out of here.
Around the pole in second?
Yeah, and then drift out of there. I got rubber in my eyes.
Damn, yo, I really think that's undercover cop behind me.
Hell no.
His fucking front window is tinted.
Screaming that bitch. Go, speed up.
I don't think he's gonna do it.
I don't know, try. Just dump the living piss out. Just dump the living piss out. Keep going. Oh, she'll do it. Oh, shit. Dump this bitch. Hold on. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. Dude, this thing is like.
Get back on the highway.
No.
You drift into there. Second gear, downshift. Drift into that bitch. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Third gear, Zach. Hit it, Zach.
This bitch is gonna catch on fire.
Not fucking, dude. Oh, tires exploding.
I didn't think my tires were bad.
They aren't. They ain't popped yet. Zach, start minding in this bitch. Let's go. Oh, I hit it. Dump it. 360 right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, Zach's coilovers are good, but he just had to go to work, so Daquan's finishing up the NC tie rods, and I got the 240 up in the air because I cracked my turbo manifold, which the previous owner welded, but it cracked again. So he did shitty welds, so we're gonna put some good welds over there. And it was causing me to run rich and just killing plugs. So That'll fix that problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this, and he's gonna keep working on that, and hopefully when we finish up tonight we can go do some drifting or something. Alright guys, so Big Fun's gonna weld it up for me because I don't trust myself. He's better. So as you can see, the crack is all the way back there and it comes probably all the way here, so he's just gonna fill everything in. So he's gonna go ahead and do that for me real quick.
No! Dude!
Underneath. It's out.
What the fuck? Yo! My car was on fire!
Dude, I'm driving.
Yo!
I think
My car was on fire! Oh,
Start it up, see if it starts.
I'm scared.
Oh, that's what it was on fire. Look, it's red hot right there. What's that? What is that? Or is that just the metal from being hot?
That's the fucking AC.
It is. What the fuck? You're like Freon caught on fire. Turn the AC off and start it.
The bitch better be off. Yo, spray it again if it's still cam.
No,
if that was on fire, it would have melted this plastic. That
I
wasn't
think
on
it's
fire.
just-
It was down there.
It won't
It was at
cool
the
it
bottom.
down. This is just carbon monoxide in a can or something. Pretty sure that's what this
It
shit
fucking
is.
chills it, you dumbass.
No, it doesn't. It just sucks. It
It's
takes
cold
that-
as shit, ain't it?
No, it takes the oxygen away.
I don't know.
That's how these work. Start it up. As long as it runs, you ain't got no electrical issues. Dude, that was so fucking cool. I've always wanted to put a car out on fire.
It runs.
Yeah, it must have been your AC or something, man. Or that oil finally caught. That was so cool, dude. I looked under the car and I thought there were sparks flying. I thought he dropped something. And I'm like, yo, it's a fucking fire. I'm like beating my shitty horn. It's like,
I know, I heard it.
I think you're good to drift, dude.
Fuck you!